Hi, myself Siddharth Jha. I am from HCFA India, and since last 3 years we are participating this Automation Expo. We are getting good results. We are getting good expansion in India. This is very wonderful exhibition. And since last 10 years I am visiting this exhibition, I found new things in this exhibition, and this will be continue in future. And we expect good result in our future to add some of the many of the customers from India. Thank you so much.
Hello, I am Gaurav Chamoli. I am from HCFA India, and we are having different products for different solutions, and we are mainly focusing in printing, packaging, and machine tool divisions. And we are having a very vast range of products, and we are participating in Automation Expo from last 3 years, and we are having very good customer base in India. It's going day by day. It's growing. Yes. Yeah.
Thank you.